Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So in today's tutorial, we'll be making this happy birthday card by making these beautiful flowers and this very different and antique frame. So let's get started. Now to start with, we'll make flowers with the help of paper punching machine, something like this. If you don't have this, you can simply draw it on the paper and cut it with a pair of scissors. The paper I'm using here is a normal craft paper. I'll put the link of each and everything I'm using in this video in the description box so that you can also buy it online. For the second flower, I'm using this glitter white color craft paper, and again I'm making a flower with punching machine, something like this. For the leaves, I'm using this different punching machine and I'm using brown color chart paper. So for the frame, I'm using this silicone mold which I've recently purchased, and to make the corner of the frames, we'll use hot glue gun. Wait for about 15 minutes to dry it fully, and something like this will come out. This we will use it as a frame's corner. Now to give it a 3D look, I'm using this doily paper as a base of my card. Now we'll stick all the flowers and leaves together. Now we'll make border of the card, and to make that I am using this craft paper. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to stick it all sides of the card, something like this. But if you have washi tapes or any printed tapes, you can stick those as well. And if you don't want to use the frame, you can use this card like this. Or if you have already made the frame, you can stick the frame here and write your message here. So our beautiful happy birthday card is ready, and I hope you've learned something new from this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. That really gives me the motivation to make new and beautiful videos for all of you. So if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.